The, the deer got in my garden last night. Oh, you. Not only did they get my corn, a bunch of my corn that just started to tassel, they even got some of my butterball squash. And I'm so pissed right now. Let me show you what some deer can do. I don't want to hear it. You ain't doing your job, Gandalf. So here's some of the corn that they came in here, and they chewed on it a little bit, but you can see it's hanging down here. And yeah, they knocked this stuff over. I don't know what they were looking for over here, but you can see the corn's getting nice and tall. It's just starting to get tassels on it. And this one over here fell over, was chewed on, and then they chewed all the tassels up and everything too. It must have been really sweet. They were going for it. And I'm going to show you some more over here. There's not much really left because I was just pissed off. I broke this off. I was hoping that I might maybe get some ears off of here. It won't tassel, but it might maybe put out some ears that get pollinated by the other corn. But look at these little guys. They got their little hairs going. Got a little nice tassel right up here. Pollinate it. Yeah, there we go. But the worst part is they got my butterball squash over here. Oh, I'm so mad. The one that I pollinated on camera just got chewed up. Look at that. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Look at that. They chewed it. They came down here and chewed on my awesome round butternut. When I pollinated on camera for you guys, they chewed on the corn right here, knocked this down, got a bunch of dirt on it, and oh, this pissed me off. Let's see, they must have done something else. What else was it? I've still got some butterball squash. You know, it's still producing some little dudes. But oh yeah, there was some more over here. Yeah, they came all the way around here. Look at this. Not major damage. It's not major damage, but you can see they chewed on it. And I was kind of thinking it was a raccoon at first, but yeah, look at that. Look how it's about knee high. It's been kind of chewed on, like they just kind of bent over and just was. They were just sampling everything. They were sampling everything. They wanted to know how far along the corn is. I bet you if it was full of corn, it would be gone. So the damage wasn't too bad. I lost a couple squash, a little small one, and then this really mature one over here. I've lost a couple stalks of corn, but oh, it pissed me off. Well, look at them hanging over there. It was a nice little bunches. I had a little bunch of corn here, a little bunch of corn there. You know, sometimes the corn will fall over depending on how close you've got them and stuff like that, and how much moisture you get. But these ones have been really strong. They're really strong flower corn, or dent corn, and they're already starting to tassel. So, but yeah, I got hit with deer. The deer came in here and got my stuff. So, but I'll tell you what. I will tell you what. If I see them back in here again, I'm not afraid to put one of them in my freezer. You know, we are as close to we're very vegetarian, but we do eat meat on occasion. We're plant-based, and I do go fishing, and the occasional meat we do eat, I'd prefer to be some wild deer that's been eating a bunch of good stuff, like stuff from my garden and everything like that. So hopefully that day doesn't come, but if they mess up my corn. I'm watching you, man. What are you doing, sleeping? You're fired. You're fired.